Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I have a quick jam-packed video to share with you today because I need to get to work. We're going to do a Rocksbox unboxing. I can't wait to tell you about the deal that I got on this White House Black Market jacket that I'm currently wearing. I also want to share with you this gorgeous handcrafted mermaid's tail necklace, and I have 4 pieces of jewelry that I want to show you that I got off of a clearance rack at Peebles recently, which made me realize I need to cancel Rocksbox. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get right into it. Let's see what Rocksbox sent us this time. So the first piece are these earrings by Aster, and they are the Viola Drops in silver, and I do want to mention that silver tone, not sterling silver. And these are $34, which isn't a totally outrageous price. So the next piece is this really delicate, pretty necklace, and I do like these delicate necklaces. This is the Sophie Harper Pave Arrow Pendant in silver, and again, that's silver tone, but it's $51. That seems high for a little delicate necklace to me. And the final piece are these Kendra Scott earrings, and they have a nice substantial feel to them. They are the Dee Dee Filigree earring in silver, again, silver tone, $85. I can't get past that. They do have a substantial feel, but I don't know about $85 worth. So why have I decided that I need to cancel Rocksbox? It has largely to do with the 4 pieces of clearance jewelry that I'm about to show you. Now I realize that Rocksbox is a higher end jewelry, but I have found pieces that work just as well and feel just as substantial to me on clearance racks. Some of my favorite places to stock the clearance racks are Peebles, Boscov's, Macy's, and JCPenney. These 4 came from Peebles just within the last couple of days. So the first pair are these pretty filigree leaf design with some crystals around them. Well, not really crystals, I'm sure, but whatever it is, some type of rhinestone. And they're substantial enough, but not too heavy and not tinny feeling either. These were originally $14, and I got these for $7. The next piece have these beautiful blue stones, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this is my favorite color in all the world. And they're just silver tone, I get it. They're not designer, and they're not sterling silver. But these were originally $12, and I got them for $6. So the next one are these very lightweight, dainty, filigree chandelier style earrings. They're super, super light on. When I have these on, I can't even feel them, and I paid $2.10 for these. And then finally, probably my favorite out of this particular batch of clearance jewelry are these. They have a southwestern flair to them. They're silver tone. They have a little pop of coral color and a little pop of turquoise color. And these were originally $16, and I paid $8. So I'm holding 4 pair of clearance earrings that cost a total of under $25. Now, am I saying that I prefer quantity to quality? No, I'm not. What I'm saying is that you can find quality pieces of costume jewelry on clearance racks at places like Boscov's, Peebles, Macy's, JCPenney, and these are just fine for my purposes, and this is more what I can afford. So although I love to find a bargain on a clearance rack, there's definitely an area that I'm willing to splurge on, and that is handcrafted, artisan, unique pieces. You know, the type that when you go to an outdoor festival or a wine tasting and they'll have a booth set up and there will be just very unique pieces that are sparkling in the sun. I'm drawn to those booths like a moth to a flame, and I'm willing to pay a little bit more because I realize they're not mass produced and I'll find something unique. Case in point, one of my favorite vendors to find at a festival is Carolyn's Crystal Creations. Now, just to be clear, I don't know her personally. I just love her work, and I just want to show it to you. I purchased this necklace a couple of days ago, and I love everything about it. It has the classic mermaid tail shape with a beautiful teal blue crystal in the center. The beads that are around it are an iridescent lime green and ocean blue with a tinge of purple. They're pretty silver seashells on, that's hard to say, pretty silver seashells on each side, and it has this suede cord that is fully adjustable. There's a little wooden circle on here that you just move up and down, so you can wear it anywhere from choker length to collar length down to the chest. The same day that I bought this necklace that I paid, I believe, $48 for, I also bought these earrings, and these are in a pink crystal, and I want to say I paid $18 for these. And then about 4 years ago, I purchased this piece. It has the same adjustable suede-like, only this is a black suede. Same adjustable mechanism where I can wear it up here or clear down to here depending on the neckline that I have on. Can't say enough though about investing, just in general, supporting local artists and artisans. So random poll right in the middle of this video. Are there any fellow left-handers out there? If you are left-handed, I know you'll get this. Whenever you have a necklace that has fixed points like this and has to face in a particular direction, maybe it's letter or a name or script, or in this case it has pave stones on the front, it's very difficult for me to do the clasp because it feels like it's on the wrong side. Now when I buy a necklace that has a bail and a chain configuration, I will take the chain out of the bail, reverse the direction, and then when I go to wear the necklace, I can easily clasp it with my dominant hand, my left hand. But anyone else feel my pain? Comment down below if you're a lefty and have trouble with this type of necklaces. So the other day I found myself in a White House black market. I love everything about that store's setup. I like the way they merchandise. I like the collections that they bring in. They don't have an overwhelming number of things to pick from, and in some instances I prefer that. The sizing there fits me well, but if I'm being completely honest, I can't afford to shop there on a regular basis. I wish I could, but even if I had Oprah's money, I don't think I would. I just can't get past spending $90 for a top or $120 for a pair of pants. Even if I had the money, I'm not sure that I would use it. Inherently, I'm more of a bargain hunter, and that's why you're going to see a lot more Walmart try-ons and hauls from me, because that's more my price point. But when I go to White House Black Market, I go straight to the clearance rack. And I don't just mean, oh, this is on clearance. I need an additional percentage off to even inspire me to purchase anything. And I found a piece that I cannot believe. I saw this from across the store and it's one of my favorite colors. This is a size 6 and I probably would have done better with a size 4, but this is what they had. This is a polyester and modal blend. It has the placket working pockets, buttons down the front, buttons on the tie tab sleeves, and the waist is a little bit adjustable with this cord, so that does help with the sizing. And on the back you can see this cord detail, how it's going to cinch in. I like the princess seaming along the sides as well as the placket across the back. It does give it a little bit of shape. This is very lightweight. It is machine wash and line dry. I was wearing the dress that I have on now at the time that I found this, so naturally I stepped over to a mirror to try it on, and I was trying not to attract the attention of the salespeople because I presume that they work on commission and they weren't going to make a whole lot of money from me, so they could wait on the rich people. So I just wanted to discreetly try this on, but while I was trying it on, a salesperson came over anyway and said, oh, by the way, even though that's on the final sale rack, I think there's an additional 50% off. So off she went and she scanned it, and for sure it was. So I couldn't have been happier with that because the original price was $140. Never in this lifetime, not even with Oprah's money, would I have paid that or been able to afford to pay that, if I'm being completely honest. It went on clearance for $99.99, not in this lifetime. Then it hit final sale at $34.98. So now it's getting into being more realistic for me. But when they took the additional 50% off, I got this for, wait for it, $17.49. Thrilled with this. If I can find this on their website, I will link this below. I'm sure that they have final sale items listed on their website. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.